Hey guys, it's me Elena. You probably remember a while ago I made an unboxing of a cute Nayu-chan. So today I wanna open with you her cute twin sister Nayu-chan. This is a special anniversary edition of the DRSD Volks line, so it has some new interesting elements. The doll's box looks like a house. I reviewed it in more detail in the previous DRSD unboxing. It's a Dollfie's 25th anniversary, so to commemorate it we got some new doll heads, new dresses and renewed face-ups. Alongside with Now and Nayu there were released Tiara, Hana, Leo and Maya. I will try to focus on differences with the usual release in this video. Check out this cute metallic clip that comes with a silky burgundy bow and a delicate thin fabric red flower attach. It's so neat because you can clip it anywhere, in your hair or on her outfit, instantly giving Nayu a fresh, adorable look. Let's dive right into another enchanting accessory of Nayu's, a stunning silver metal crown, not plastic, truly fit for this little queen here. It's not ordinary piece, folks, it's thoughtfully adorned with mesmerizing white crystals that shimmer with every tilt and turn. And look at this, the crown is attached to a sparkly silver piece of thick fabric, I assume, at the bottom. Crown is sewn to it. Plus, with a handy metallic hair clip sewn right in, you can easily secure it to Nayu's hair, ensuring she is always ready for her royal adventures ahead. Another standout feature of Nayu is this exclusive anniversary brooch. Molded in an elegant oval shape, it boasts a radiant red shimmer that catches the light beautifully. The top transparent layer rises, showcasing delicate roses and the initials SD. And speaking of royalty, there is gracefully folded crown perched atop the letter D. Such an intricate touch. The brooch base is crafted from a vintage gold metal, providing a rich frame that elevates its elegance. And guess what? With this sturdy needle at the back, it's so versatile that you could even pin it onto your own outfit. Nayu's brooch isn't just a doll's accessory, it's a piece of art the owner can admire too and remember this memorable release. Let's talk about Nayu's captivating golden brown wig. Bangs are neatly framing her face, complemented by longer locks cascading down each side. Volks Harajuku Tenshi Nomada store staff often style coordinate doll wigs with impeccable attention to detail, making some cute braid hairstyles. My doll wasn't an exception. Her hair is delightfully styled with two playful tails, each intertwining with petite braids, meticulously secured with thread and cascading into large bouncy curls. One tail is whimsically adorned with a sweet pink bow, adding a dash of playful elegance. The head cap is light beige, which matches the hair color and won't stain doll's head easily. And oh, we can't miss the stunning dark red cape. The outside is soft and fuzzy to the touch, inviting you to feel its cozy warmth. When we peek inside, a smooth pink fabric greets us, fastening the splendid cape with a little metallic hook in the front. And of course, with the doll we got some booklets. First one is a bit less interesting with some information for the first time doll owners. We are getting this one with every Volks doll. Another one is a colorful DSD specific booklet. It's very cool and contains a lot of photos and information about these dolls. We have looked at it in detail in Now unboxing. What is different is this insert. This one is made specifically for this anniversary dolls. It has both a red dress outfit and black pants outfit. What I love about the black version is that dolls have magnets in the head for the cat ears to be attached. There is also an adorable Kamame pin, which is a Volks mascot, black cat. Aww, I wish Nayu-chan would come in a black outfit. I love Volks Kamame. Both sides have steps for assembling a doll's box to become a doll house. There is also a white envelope with little silver particles on its surface. Inside is the usual doll's certificate. Compared to the usual certificate, it is mentioned here that this doll is an anniversary dress version. Here's additional paper for the owners of DSD dolls explaining their specifics. Another one is a Super Dollfie card, which on the back has "Always Together with You" text. Both Nao and Nayu received updated face-up compared to the previous release. While my Nao has a bit of a confused and mischievous look, this Nayu is having a more happy and sunny look. Corners of her mouth were even painted to imitate a little smile. The face-up is very contrasting with bold lower lashes and upper lashes. Fake eyelashes attached to the eyes are layered. It is hard to see, but they are brown with longer black eyelashes on corners created a second, more voluminous layer. Her eyebrows are soft and in a light brown color. She is the same mold as Nao but has a white skin. She has light brown glass eyes with a darker color rim around the iris. They are so huge that sclera is almost not visible. Metallic head plate as always has a DSD text on it. The doll's head shape is very unusual, especially compared to modern dolls. Sometimes it could be not in your favor when trying to find a wig which fits. With this event, all DSD received a long-awaited additional hands, which can be purchased through the website right now. My doll got a special open palm hands, which can be used to imitate, for example, clapping or air kisses. So cute! Nayu is dressed up in a dress that echoes the style of the usual DSD dresses, but with its own unique and enchanting twists. It's crafted from a previously unseen red fabric that's irresistibly smooth to the touch. The color captivates with red lace featuring delicate roses, accompanied by a string of white pearl beads that add an extra touch of elegance. Roses explains the name of the dress Volks gave to it, which is My Dear Garden. The front part, detailed with pin tucks and gentle ruffles, has 3 perfectly placed pearl beads. Her long sleeves are fastened with metallic snaps. A burgundy ribbon gracefully adorns the waist. Skirt is with an asymmetric design, cascading longer at the back, offering a playful yet elegant silhouette. The top layer, transparent and dreamy, features 2 distinct laces. Each brings its own unique texture and charm to the ensemble. Underneath, a pleated bottom layer peeks through, adding depth. The dress is fastened behind with metallic snaps. On the front peeks out a red laces with roses, same as on the dress collar. This is actually a hard mesh underskirt. It ensures the volume and structure of the dress. On the waist it has a string. Complementing her attire are Nayu's simple red bloomers, crafted from a smooth fabric. They are tastefully designed with a drawstring at the waist and legs. Nayu's ensemble also features wide, slightly stretchy high socks that snugly fit her legs. What's captivating about this is their design, covered in what looks to be poppy flowers. Each artfully resembles strokes from an acrylic paintbrush. I love how it ties together her red outfit. Nayu sports the most adorable red ballet shoes, crafted from a fabric so smooth and pleasant you will wish you had a pair. Teeny, charming bows grace the front, adding a dash of sweetness. Despite their delicate appearance, these shoes boast a teeny heel, offering Nayu a bit of a lift and a dash of maturity. Inside the insole is a lovely pink stamped with a gold Volks logo. The sole is light beige. As you can see, the bottom of the box has a brick floor to use for the doll to sit on. There is also how this box can unfold to become a little house. I wish all boxes are a little bit more than just boxes. How often do you fall in love with a head mold and get multiple versions of this doll in different colors or maybe absolutely the same? Nayu and Nayu are the only DRSD which melt my heart. I can't look at them without having butterflies in my stomach. I feel so happy having these twins in my collection now. Love dolls and Kong Kong.